Sat Shri Akal dosto, Kia ora, Tina Kotu Katu Afana, and hello world. How are you guys? It's Jasdeep here. I tried to capture some beautiful view from New Zealand and be with me. It's gonna be amazing.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਤੇ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਬੈਕ। ਅਸੀਂ ਫੇਰ ਆ ਗਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਮ ਬੈਕ ਮਾਈ ਵੌਇਸ। ਸਮ ਪੀਪਲ ਹੇਟ ਮੀ ਨੇ, ਥੋੜੇ ਬਹੁਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਪਰ ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਯਾਰ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ, ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਆ, ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ 'ਚ ਕਹਿਣੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ। Some people, they don't like me, I think, but you guys don't have any option more than hate me. But if you hate me, I love you a lot. And you have only one option, just watch me. One option. But like if you try to make me upset, that's no gonna be work on me, mate. Maybe you have to go someone else. But I start my morning and stay with me and stay with me and stay with me. I will capture nice view. Morning guys, how are you? Here in Nelson today. I was there last night and here got some nice view from the river. Sticky and oh, it's dry, but I can try. It's a nice river. Look at the view. I just wait here for unload my truck. Look at this Nelson. It's really nice. Mix up this vlog with other cities too, and yeah, really cloudy and sunny day today. But once I leave Christchurch last night, it was a bit rain and yeah, but now maybe gonna be hot inside the truck. But I wanna sleep, and will be have to don my mirrors and then go for sleep. And if I will start early today, then I will go somewhere and show you guys a sunset and all the view. For the time, need to be go inside the countdown. Need to be empty my truck and then have to sleep for 10 hours. I'm going back from Nelson to Christchurch and I'm on the way. Look at the sunset. That's really nice, eh? And how's you guys going? And where are you watching from? Just put your city name into the comments, guys, and then yeah, I will see where are you guys from. It's 8:30 p.m. Look at this Scania. It's a nice truck. I am on the way from Cromwell to Invercargill via Gore and Tapanui, Alexandra, and I'm at the moment Alexandra, and now just start my day with coffee. And yeah, it's a really sunny and nice cloudy day here. I will be finished in Invercargill ਤੇ ਮਿੱਤਰੋ ਹੋਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਹੋ? ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਵਾਹਵਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਘਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਗਿਆ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਤੀ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਬੜਾ ਪਾਓ ਆਰਡਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਬੜਾ ਪਾਓ this is ਬੜਾ ਪਾਓ I was ordered from Christchurch. This one it's a little bit cold but I have a hot chai latte with me, hot drink. Normally we just eat it with the chai and it's a Bombay dish, but I find it in Christchurch. I was ordered last night. Now I have to leave soon. I'm done my break here and after that I'll leave soon. There we done. ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਜੀ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਯਾਰ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਪੀ ਵਿਊ ਮਾਊਂਟ ਰਪੇਹੂ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵੀਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਬਰਫ਼ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਡੈਜ਼ਰਟ, ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਪਾਰਕ ਤੇ ਮਾਊਂਟ ਰਪੇਹੂ ਹੈ। ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਐਂਡ ਆ ਬਾਬੇ। I'm on the way from Picton to Christchurch and I stopped just before Kaikoura. Look at their seals. If you guys want to to stop here after Twizel. You can see their wood, high country salmon, and yeah, here's good place to stop there. And look at that big boy. I ordered my salmon, and I just ordered fresh salmon kebab, but spicy. Still waiting for my order, and I'm doing my half an hour there, and once I finish my half an hour, then I will be go back to on road, and my destination today in Cromwell, and be with me, and I will capture nice view on the way, and also explain what's going on to the roads. Hey, be with me. Look at my food. It's my breakfast. Maybe kind of brunch. Look at the people how crazy for salmon. Hey. Brother give me a gangster look, youth, and I'm going to there somewhere by the river. Hey, we're good. Bye.